Video chapters break your video into clickable segments that lets viewers jump straight to the section that interests them. This feature doesn't just make your videos easier to navigate, it also improves the viewer experience, boosts your SEO and retention, and can help your video show up as featured clips on Google. But to add these chapters on YouTube, you need to manually type out a list of timestamps and titles in your description. You have to get it exactly right to make sure each timestamp lines up with the exact moment that section starts and follow all of YouTube's formatting rules. One small mistake and your chapters don't show up at all. TubeBuddy's chapter editor simplifies this entire process for you. Here's how to use it. Open the video you want to add chapters to in YouTube Studio. Scroll down until you see the TubeBuddy Add Chapters button. From here, you can start adding chapters in two ways. Click the plus icon on the playhead to drop a chapter exactly where the video is paused, or use this Add Chapter button. As you play through your video, the chapter timeline updates in real time, letting you add chapters precisely where they belong. TubeBuddy's chapter editor shows check marks as you meet each of YouTube's requirements. Making sure that your first chapter starts at 0, there's a minimum of 3 chapters, there's at least 10 seconds between chapters, and that each chapter has a title. You can also customize the chapter titles with keywords that will boost SEO. These keywords can be found in YouTube and Google search. Once you've added all the chapters to your video, you can copy the full chapter list to your clipboard and paste it into a pinned comment or description manually. Or simply click Add to Video and instantly insert your perfectly formatted chapter list directly into your description. You can also come back at any time to edit, add, or delete chapters, and TubeBuddy will automatically update the list for you.